Hey, what's up and welcome to the Instagram University 3.0. I'm so excited to have you in here because, you took action, you're an action taker and you decided to join. I'm so excited to have you in here because in the next few weeks I will show you step by step how you can build a following on Instagram and make your first $1,000 online. And you know the reason why I created this whole Instagram University 3.0, we will talk about that in a second, but first I wanted to thank you for this purchase and I wanted to say that in this video I will show you what how the members area is structured and what you will get access to with the whole Instagram University 3.0. But anyways, the reason why I created the Instagram University 3.0 is because, look, 3.5 years ago I was a broke student, I had no idea what I should do with my life. I played computer games all day and I had no idea what I should do with my life. I went to school totally tired because like all day and then the whole night I played computer games and I then went totally tired to school and I hated it. I hated school, I was a shy kid, I didn't have many friends, but I had the dream to one day travel the world. I wanted to make money doing what I love. I just wanted to break out of the system, be my own boss, and just enjoy life, okay? And then one day I got into 9 to 5 because after school I wanted to like travel the world. I wanted to go through Australia and travel through Australia with a friend, but the problem was I had no money. And then one day I got like a 9 to 5 and I realized that I hated it. And then I started searching for ways how I can make money with like online, and I got into Instagram. I started my first account. I struggled for a long time. It took me like 8 months to get the first 10,000 followers. But then one day I made my first $1,000 online, and that day everything changed. Everything changed. I just saw it on my phone, like I had my phone, I took a look at it and I saw that I made my first $1,000 online, and that day my life changed. Not because I made the $1,000, not because I was then able to buy something with the $1,000, but because I then realized that everything is possible in today's world, and I want you to have that experience too. I want you to give that experience too, and with the Instagram University 3.0, I'm giving you everything that you need to make the first $1,000 with your phone, with like online, with Instagram, and I will give you a step-by-step blueprint that you can use to make your first $1,000 with Instagram with your phone, so that you can have the same experience, so that you can then realize that everything is possible in today's world, because that day my life changed. When I made those $1,000 online, that's the day my life changed, because then I started taking action. I started really working for my goals. I started setting bigger and bigger and bigger goals because I knew that everything is possible, and I then started working for those big goals and started achieving them. And then within like 1 year or something, I moved to Dubai. I met so many amazing people. I started eating out in the best restaurants, and then now I make tens of thousands of dollars each and every single month net profit. I live the life of my dreams, and everything changed in such a short period of time, and the same thing can happen for you. And as I said, the day my life changed was the day I made my first $1,000 online, and I want you to have that experience too. I want you to make $1,000 with Instagram. That's why I created Instagram University 3.0. That's why I'm giving you this whole blueprint. And inside this little video, I just wanted to explain how the Instagram University 3.0 is structured. So basically you have this welcome section on the left side here. And by the way, I have my laptop right here. So don't wonder why I'm looking here. Anyways, okay. So the Instagram University 3.0 is basically structured like that. Like on the top, you can probably see my logo. And by the way, like for those of you who, not many people will realize this probably, but if you click on the logo, you will be taken to my website. And on my website, you will find lots of cool stuff like blog articles, success stories, and all that stuff. So definitely go check it out. Then under that, we have like all the 3 programs I have. We have the Instagram University 3.0, we have the 100 group, we have the one-on-one mentoring, everything. You can also check that out. The 100 group is basically like my highest level program that I have, in which we talk about funnels and in which we talk about getting to $100,000, because once you get to $1,000, you have to do the next steps. You have to get to $100,000, then to $1 million, then to $10 million. And the 100 group is basically like the next level. Like once you make the first $1,000 online, you can move on, or with your Instagram account, you can move on from the Instagram University 2.0 and 3.0. You can get into the 100 group and then learn the advanced strategies that will get you to like $100,000, okay? So, and then we have the one-on-one mentoring if you want to get to 7 figures, right? So those are the 3 programs I have. You can see that on the top. We then have like a free training. That's pretty cool. So you should definitely check that out. Looks like the blue button that you can see in the top area. And then we have different stuff like login, my story, affiliates, and FAQ. But we will talk about that anyways later, okay? So we then have the different sections. We have the welcome area. We have the VIP program, which is $7 per week. Okay, you automatically got access to that when you join the Instagram University 3.0. Okay, so in a week from now, your account will be charged $7. But you can cancel anytime. but the VIP program is definitely the most amazing thing about this whole Instagram University 3.0, because with the VIP program you will get access to me, you will get access to all my new knowledge, and you will get access to mentorship, right? So with the VIP program you will get access to like a mastermind channel. You can join like a mastermind channel on Telegram, in which I will do like daily voice messages, in which I will put photos in of motivation. I will give you new tips, tricks, hacks, and strategies. Then with the VIP program, you will also have access to like weekly live calls. You will get a free shout out. You will have VIP support. You will have bonus content. And in the VIP program, the best part is that I will also always post videos with people I will just post amazing videos inside the VIP program. For example, we have right now one video inside the VIP program where I was backstage with Tai Lopez, and in that video we talk about building like a personal brand, getting followers, and just in general making money, okay? So the VIP program is $7 per week. Like with Instagram University 3.0, you automatically got access to that. Just that you know, if you want to cancel, just send an email to our support team and we will do that, no problem. And then with Instagram University 3.0, like as I said, on the left side you can see the different modules, and you then have access to the Instagram 101. Inside the Instagram 101 we'll just talk about the basics about Instagram. I will show you the platform, I'll show you how everything works, I will give you the basic rules. And and you have the golden blueprint. In it I will give you the big overview. I will just show you exactly how Instagram works and how making money with it works, so that you have the big picture, so that you know in which direction we are going, okay? Then we have Instagram secrets. Inside of Instagram secrets you will just learn everything about Instagram, getting followers in it, building your like following and stuff like that. So that's gonna be pretty cool. We then have brand building secrets. In it I will show you how to build a brand. I will show you how to turn your followers into true fans, so that you can like consistently make money from them. We then have the IG Black Box. In it we will talk about different money making strategies when it comes to Instagram. I will show you like strategies like the CC strategy, the $500 per month strategy, the DP strategy, CCX strategy, the affiliate marketing strategy, and all that cool stuff. So be excited for that. And then we have the IPF formula, right? So IPF formula, that's one of the things that I'm most excited for, because in it I will basically show you how you can use funnels to get your whole Instagram account and your whole Instagram business to the next levels, because funnels are the key to then get your Instagram account to the next level, to $100,000, okay? And that's basically what the Instagram University 3.0 is structured like. I hope you like the design of the members area and everything. With the VIP program, if you have any questions, you can just email us, okay? So with the VIP program, you have like a little VIP email where you can ask me and my team questions anytime. And welcome to the program. I'm happy to have you here inside the members area. And definitely make sure, like if you have any questions, to message me. I definitely make sure to register for the next live call that we have inside the VIP program. And I'd be super grateful, like once you went through the first videos, to give me some feedback, right? Because we're like on the bottom of the members area, we have like a little button. It's like a blue button. You can just click that button and it will take you to Typeform. And we have a little survey in there. So if you like want to give me feedback for the Instagram University 3.0, if you have any videos that you want to have, if you, for example, want to learn stuff or more stuff about Instagram stories, or about this, or this, about this, then just like click that button, blue button, fill out the quick survey, let me know, and I will then record those new videos. We can talk about it in the mastermind channel, like in the VIP program, in the weekly live calls. And I think we will have an amazing time here inside the Instagram University 3.0, and I'm so excited to start showing you all this stuff about Instagram, like how you can build a following, how you can turn your followers into true fans, and how you can make your first $1,000 with it, okay? So welcome to the Instagram University 3.0. I'm so excited to have you in here, and I will see you guys inside the VIP program and inside the first video training.